Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel lesson number 86. It's been a while because I couldn't do a lesson recently due to my sicknesses. But I'm recovered now. I'm here to you with the Excel lesson number 86. So this is our part 16 in the charts learning series. So today we are going to talk about modifying a chart. So how we can modify a chart. Normally, upon creation of the chart, you are not done, right? Because the chart is not complete. There are certain things that still you need to do in a chart uh, to make it better in order to have a professional look for the chart. Then you have to do some certain things into the chart. So here there are few things. Actually, this is not the final list, right? That you can do for a chart. So you can add, delete or change the chart title, add, delete or change the axis titles. So like that you can move the legend and change the scale, font, alignment, number format, and so, right? So let's try out these things, how we can modify a chart and make it better. So here we have a data set, month actual versus budget. So let's go ahead and create a chart, insert. Let me go for a column chart, right? So as I mentioned to you earlier, you can see this is not complete. We can't send this chart to someone because no heading. So therefore we have to modify this. So let's first add the chart title. Select on the chart title. You can double click over there or you can just select like this and you can type the name, the title. We can say actual versus budget. And then we can modify the axis, vertical axis values. We can have display unit option. So how you can modify that? There are various options. You can double click on it. Upon double click, you can see the format axis option will be open. And also you can right click on it and then go to the format axis. So likewise, there are a lot of options that you can do, and also under the chart design, you can go to that format using these elements, right, and axis, right, and move axis option. So like that, there are a bunch of stuff and options in the Excel provided for users to have a good user experience, right? So here its display unit is set to none. Let's change to thousands, right? So you can see now the values are in thousand, and I just want to move the legend. So now I am in the format section. Therefore, when I select the element, right, uh, automatically the formatting option also will change to that particular element. So you can see format legend, it's at bottom. I would like to move it to right, so like that. And then what else I would like to add? I would like to add labels, actually data labels. We can do that by having this plus icon here, and we can click on this data label. Then here we go, right? We have the data labels. And then what else we can have? Let's add the trend line, right? So then we have the trend line. We can see, I want to see the trend for the actual expenses, right? The trend is going up. Okay, that's fine, not a problem. We can even modify that further using these options. What else we can do, right? So this looks nice, but I want to change the colors. So how we can do that? You can see there is a small brush icon here, and also you can go to that color changes to change the colors to the chart design and change colors. But I would like to go to this brush. It's very user friendly, and colors, and there you can select whatever the color theme that you would like to have. So bunch of options. I would like this blue color. That's really nice and healthy to eyes, right? And also, my friends, there's another thing that I just like to highlight. That's about style. There are presets, like you can select these styles based on your desire, requirement. Even there are dark themes as well, right? So it is nice, isn't it? Right. Beautiful. All right. So that's how you can do it. Finally, I would like to show you very powerful feature, which is filter, right? You can filter the chart. How to do that? When you select on the chart, you can see the filtering option over here. You can click on it. If you want to hide actuals, you can do that by using the series. This just untick actual and press apply, right? If you want to take it back, select it again and press apply. If you want to filter by months, so you can see things are changing, you can do that. Let's say you want to remove month of September from the chart, then untick it and apply it. So like that, it's very much capable with these new features in Excel to work on your chart. So right, this is very nice, very professional, and really beautiful. So that's how, my friends, you can do. Actually, I couldn't cover everything related to modifying a chart, but I think I covered most of the things. So you can go for it. You have to experiment these things and make your charts and analysis better and better and better day by day. Thank you very much again for watching this, and looking forward to meet you with another lesson. Until that, stay blessed. God bless you all.